how do you register and make a profile that stands out, that you always need to have a professional headshot with your profile. Okay, if you will see here, I have attached two examples. I have seen people, they are using some sort of postures and some sort of colorful lightings. You don't do that, because that does not create a great impression of you next to an employer. Always use a professional headshot where your face is clearly visible. Here I have this really small information that always mention a keyword that people search for in your headline. So here, if you would go to my profile, you would see full stack digital marketing expert. So here you will see I have used the keyword. The keyword here is digital marketing expert, because people come and search for it, and when they search for it, my profile actually get organic impressions. And also the second term you see here is growth hacker. Basically the people who actually grow a brand organically, they consider themselves a growth hacker. I won't tell you lots of points, I cannot do that within the short frame, but I will suggest you do simple thing. You go to the freelancing platform, you search for the designation. Okay, if you are into digital marketing, simply search digital marketer and then apply some filters to find the top rated freelancers. Supposedly you open this profile, you went through this description or this bio, and you will see, okay, that's how this person is writing.